Hello everybody, my name is Uzair and thanks for being with me today, either live or watching this recording. So today I'm going to create a campaign for wedding photography or photographers. I know for a fact a lot of wedding photographers struggle really badly with regards to organizing and setting up their campaigns the right way. So what I've done is, or what I do always, is go to my keyword planner, put in my keyword and download the whole list, which whatever it gives me, right? And then you can either use Google Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheets, whichever one you work with. Import them in here with file, import, and all your keywords will come in. So I've deleted all the other columns. I don't need them. All I'm worried about is that keyword and the average monthly searches. So I've got a long list of keywords. Let's see how many they are. So it's about 406 keywords. Majority of the time what happens is people or advertisers are only going to pick up a handful of keywords, throw them in the campaign, get started. But what about the other keywords which are, although they are low volume, they may be really good because not many photographers in this case are bidding on them because they're not using it, or they can't be bothered to spend a little bit of time and sort them out and get them created. Each keyword needs to be put in together with other relevant keywords in this list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this whole lot. I go to my tab. Now this is a bespoke spreadsheet which I've created. It's not available from anywhere, but what I will do is I will put up a link later on in the next few days where you can download this list for free and start using it. Okay, so that's a little thank you from me for being here with me today and also watching this on YouTube as a recording. Now this is where the magic begins. To sort out 406 or 4,000 or 10,000 keywords, no matter how many keywords you've got, it's going to take you a long time. So what if you were to be able to search and sort? And that's what this does. So it's all programmed over here. And what I want to do is go through these.